How to recover your Gmail account. So guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily recover your Gmail account. Without any further delay, let us just jump right into the video. So if you have been logged out of your Gmail account or you suspect that you have been hacked, in that case, go ahead and open up your web browser. And on your web browser, you just need to go ahead and search for Google Recovery. And once you search for Google Recovery, you can find the support.google.com and find account help over here. Tap on it and you'll be taken over to this page. Now you can just go ahead and search for Google Recovery on the search bar, or just search for the keyword recovery or recover. Hit enter and you'll find all of the related articles over here. Now, all you have to do now is find the option to recover your account. And here, all you have to do is open up your Google account, tap on security sign in and how to sign into your Google to recover. Now you'll get to this page. All you have to do here is scroll down and find the option that says someone else is using your account. If your account is hacked or hijacked, you can tap there, or you can recover if you don't know the sign in for another region. So tap on get help signing in. Once you do that, you can just tap on, let's just say, forgot your password for now. Then all you have to do is reset your password. So go ahead and tap on recover your Google account. On your account recovery, just enter your email address and tap on next. Then you can continue to use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock, or try another way. If you tap on try another way, you can either tap yes on your main device or get a verification code on your recovery email. And if you tap on try other ways to sign in, then you need to confirm that the account is yours. So tap on continue. And once you've done that, you can check your contact email after 6 hours and then try to sign in one more time. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.